Hello, good afternoon. In previous lecture, we discussed about graphite. Graphite is one of the allotropic form of the carbon, means there is a planar arrangement of carbon atom, means two dimensional arrangement of the carbon atom. In diamond, there is a tetrahedral arrangement. You can say it is 3D arrangement. Now there is another allotrope of the carbon. This is the fullerene. Fullerene. ब्लैक पाउडर हम अपने घर में भी देखते हैं, हम बना भी सकते हैं. तो ये फुलरीन, एक्चुअली व्हाट इज फुलरीन? This is also arrangement of the carbon. Just see, this is arrangement. You have seen football. Just see football. Saucer, hollow inside. Exactly, this is the buckyball. Buckyball. So in this fullerene there is a arrangement of the carbon, and therefore we say it is one of the allotropic form of the carbon like diamond and graphite. Already I have told you that allotrope means having different physical property but the same chemical behavior. For example, you burn diamond, you will get carbon dioxide. You burn graphite, you will get carbon dioxide. You burn fullerene, you will also get carbon dioxide. So chemical character is same, but the physical character is different. So just see, it is one of the allotrope of the carbon. Like you can say, like graphite. Like graphite. Structure of fullerene is of buckyball type. Buckyball type. Buck में hollow, spherical. So buckyball structure like this. This is the fullerene. This is the fullerene. Second, molecular formula C60 or C70 or C180. So there are different type of the fullerene. But this fullerene was, first of all, this fullerene was prepared. Name of fullerene is also, it is called Buckminster. Buckminster. So in this way, we should have a very clear concept of the fullerene. Now, fullerene may be spherical like this, spherical, buckyball type, or cylindrical, that is the nanotube like this. Cylindrical. But you have to remember that thickness of this tube is even less than your hair. So this is this type, nanotube, and very important type of the fullerene which we shall discuss, used for drug delivery in the body. Now, third type fullerene is the planar fullerene. Planar. Graphene, you know graphene. Already I have told you in graphite there are different layers of the planar carbon arrangement that is known as the graphene. In graphite, there is a difference distance between one graphene layer, second graphene layer is nearly 3.4 angstrom. So here there is a planar fullerene that is known as graphene. Now one should be very clear that almost when graphene is folded like this, graphene planar, if it is folded like this, it becomes fullerene. It becomes fullerene. So, graphene is one type of the arrangement of the carbon, while fullerene is another type of the fullerene. This type, Dove type arrangement is possible only when there is a pentagonal arrangement of the carbon. We shall discuss in the structure of the fullerene that there is a pentagonal as well as hexagonal arrangement in the fullerene. And this is why fullerene is also called as truncated icosahedral structure. Icosahedral structure. Truncated icosahedral structure. This one, truncated icosahedral structure. So there are three types of the fullerene. Now second thing, how to prepare fullerene. How to prepare fullerene. Just see here, preparation of fullerene. Preparation of fullerene. It can be prepared by two methods. Two methods. One, Kretschmer method, and second, contact arc method. One should take care of the pressure and absence of air. Means this fullerene is consist of only carbon. If it is vaporized in air, what will happen? Carbon will combine with oxygen, carbon dioxide will be formed, no fullerene will be formed. So for preparation of fullerene, one should maintain inert atmosphere. Inert atmosphere means wherever we prepare the fullerene, inert gases are present in the atmosphere like helium or neon. So inert atmosphere is must. In Kretschmer method, pressure is 100 torr. 100 torr. So when graphite you know, carbon arrangement, two-dimensional arrangement of the carbon is graphite. आपने देखा होगा ग्रेफाइट की छड़ वेल्डिंग की जाती है। आप किसी भी वेल्डर के पास देखें तो होता है। आप यह जान चुके हो कि ग्रेफाइट इज गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिकॉज ऑफ द अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन, you can say free electron. So graphite is a good conductor of electricity. So at this pressure and high temperature, graphite will vaporize, and when it condensed fullerene is formed, means another arrangement of the carbon take place and fullerene is formed. So this is one method, Kretschmer method, 100 torr. Second, contact arc method. Just see here. This is one of the electrode having base. This is the base. Base is graphite. It is graphite. There is another electrode, and this is another like this, This is the electric source, electric source. Here, inert gas, inert atmosphere. Helium you can say. So pressure $100. So pressure is 100 torr. So actually what happened when two electrodes they are brought together, this one and this one, sparking will take place, sparking. And sparking will generate heat, enormous heat, and this graphite will change into vapor state. Now vapor further condensed together and fullerene is formed, means this type of the arrangement is formed. So this is a very simple explanation how fullerene can be prepared by contact arc method. This is the arc and you can prepare fullerene. So very simple, you can prepare fullerene. Now important thing is regarding the properties of the fullerene. Properties of the fullerene. Number one, it is black powder or crystalline material. Crystalline material. This fullerene is not soluble in all type of the solvent, but it is soluble in benzene and toluene. Benzene and toluene, you know, fullerene, fullerene is soluble in benzene. Benzene means C6H6. This is the benzene and toluene. C. This is the toluene, you know. This is the toluene. Toluene. So when vaporize graphite in the vapor state, means we change graphite into vapor state from solid to vapor, called sublimation. Again vapor condensed together in the inert atmosphere and in presence of the benzene or toluene. So this fullerene dissolves in benzene or toluene. And when we evaporate slowly toluene or benzene, we get purple color crystals of the fullerene. So the solubility of the fullerene is in benzene or in toluene. So pure fullerene, although there is a sp2 hybridization, this carbon, all carbon, there is a sp2 hybridization, and in sp2 hybridization one electron is free, and that's why graphite is a good conductor. But in fullerene there is free electron, no doubt, like this. This is the sp2, this is the sp2, and this is the sp2, and this is the pure p orbital, p orbital. So there is a one electron, this is the bonding electron, and it is the free electron. But in fullerene, the free electron form a pi bond, and there is a van der Waals type of the force which does not permit the flow of the electron, like graphite. And therefore we can say that fullerene, pure fullerene, pure fullerene is not good conductor of electricity. But it can form salt, it can form compound base potassium called K3C60, K6C60. Potassium bacchite, potassium bacchite. This is very good conductor, very good conductor. Even you can say it is the superconductor. So in this way, sp2 hybridization clearly indicates the fullerene should be good conductor because there is a one free electron, but it is not as good as conductor of electricity as graphite is, because the free electron is bonded, not bonded, they are held by van der Waals force, and therefore conductance is reduced. Latest experiment show that graphite may be good conductor of electricity because there is a presence of one free electron in each carbon atom. Now, fullerene does not melt, but it can sublime. Fullerene. This is the fullerene form, arrangement of the carbon. So it can sublime. Sublimation means solid change into vapor. This is called sublimation. Sublimation. ऊर्ध्वपातन हिंदी में अगर आप जानते होंगे, इंटरमीडिएट में जो हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं, ऊर्ध्वपातन जानते हैं। उसका अर्थ होता है कि ठोस से गर्म करने पर सीधे वेपर में चेंज हो जाए, गैसियस अवस्था में चेंज हो जाए पदार्थ, तो उसे हम सब्लिमेशन कहते हैं। सो दिस फुलरीन कैन सब्लाइम। द टेम्परेचर ऑफ सब्लिमेशन, टेम्परेचर। So here fourth, fullerene can sublime at 600 degrees centigrade. 600 degrees centigrade. So it can sublime. And already I have told you, soluble in benzene. You can say not clearly, fairly soluble. Fullerene is not fairly soluble in benzene. It is partially soluble in benzene. So all these points indicate the properties of the fullerene. So we have discussed about the properties. Now this is the structure. So in explaining structure of the fullerene, we can say fullerene has truncated icosahedral structure. Truncated icosahedral structure. Second, there are 12 pentagons. This is the pentagon, means having 5 sides. So in the arrangement, 12 pentagons are present and 20 hexagons are present. Hexagons means having 6 bond. Yeah, this is the hexagon like benzene. So in fullerene there are 12 pentagons and 20 hexagons. Third thing, no two pentagons can share common side. Suppose this is the pentagon, no pentagon shall be here, no pentagon shall be here, no pentagon shall be here, here. Pentagon will be here, like this. So you can say two pentagons cannot be adjacent to each other. If they are adjacent, so there will be a common point, common side, and this is to be avoided. So no two sides, no common side will be shared by the pentagon. Carbon bond length. This is the carbon, this is carbon, this is carbon, like this. So this bond length is 1.4 angstrom. Like graphene. In graphene, you also know that carbon-carbon bond length is 1.42 angstrom. In fullerene, it is 1.4 angstrom. And type of the hybridization present in fullerene is sp2 hybridization is present. sp2, you know already, one s atomic orbital and 2p atomic orbital mixed together and form another type of the orbital which has s character as well as p character, and it is arranged trigonal in the space. But one Pure p orbital of each carbon is present containing free electron. So this is all about the structure of the fullerene. Now application. Just see fullerene K3C60 potassium bacide. This is superconductor. So superconductor conductor used in many optical devices. Optical devices. So this is one of the application. Second, this is the spherical in shape. So it can be used for lubricating purposes. I think you know there are metal balls used in bearing like this, bearing. This is the bearing like this. This is the bearing. This is the metal ball. But we know that Teflon, 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 Teflon is the very useful fullerene having very hard character, and it can be used as ball bearing, ball bearing. So Teflon can be used as lubricant in bearings, in bearings. So fullerene can be used as a lubricant. And third application used used for drug delivery, drug delivery, drug delivery in the body, in the body. Nanotube, yeah, nanotube, nanotube, nanotube. So nanotube is used for drug delivery in the human body. So in this way, you can explain What is the fullerene? Types of the fullerene, preparation of fullerene, properties of fullerene, structure of fullerene, and application of fullerene. In examination, many times it has been asked that what is fullerene, how fullerene can be prepared, explain truncated icosahedral structure of the fullerene and give its different applications. So in short, you can explain the fullerene, what is fullerene, preparation of fullerene, Kretschmann method or contact arc method, properties and application. Thank you.